morning. Good morning. Alright, energy accepted. Alright, everyone, welcome to our beloved company, Leatherback Travel and Cruise. That's the name of our company. Okay? So Leatherback, ma'am, sir, is the name of biggest sea turtle in El Nido. Okay, Leatherback sea turtle. Okay? And of course, welcome aboard here to our boat. What is the name of your boat? Yes, William Jeremy number 2. Okay, please kindly remember that because on the island where we're going, there's a lot of boats there. Okay, so I don't want you to get confused or lost there on the island. Okay, William 2. Please always remember. Okay. So William boat, everyone has a roof deck where you can go later after my briefing. Okay, it's nice to take pictures there. And of course, we have restroom on board over there. Okay, for number 1, not for number 2. Okay. So number 2, you can just jump there in the water later. No, I'm just kidding, everyone. Number 2, there is a designated toilet in the island for number 2. Okay. And of course, ma'am, sir, for the first timer in El Nido, welcome to our small but amazing paradise, El Nido, Palawan. There, look around you. Amazing, right? So by the way, ma'am, sir, my name is Andrew, one of your local guide from Leatherback Travel. Andrew, okay? Please don't forget. And of course, since you are 46 on board, I have a veterans and handsome partner, Mr. Good morning. Banoy, okay? Banoy. Banoy and Andrew, we are your local guides. At the same time, your lifeguard and photographer, ma'am and sir, okay? So please, if you need us, do not hesitate to call us, okay? Because we are here to serve you. What is my name again? Andrew and Noy. Okay? And of course, I want all of you to meet also our official and handsome boat captain, Captain Juben. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you. So Assistant Captain Kuya Windel. Okay. And our lifeguard on board, Mr. Rujem. Okay. And of course, we have a boat bartender. Okay. So if you want to buy a cold drinks, cold beer for only 100 pesos, just look for Aniel. So we are 6 of us together with you for this whole day tour, okay? And I hope we can make your day enjoyable, okay? Of course, before we proceed to the island, everyone, we also have a rules and regulation that everyone should follow, okay? First rules, ma'am and sir, is our golden rule, okay? Safety first. So if you don't know how to swim, you know what to do. Don't swim. No, please, if you don't know how to swim, always wear your life jacket, okay? Because your life jacket, it will help you to float in the surface of the water. Keep your life safe, of course, okay? Second, everyone, during snorkeling activity, please avoid stepping on the coral, okay? Because corals, everyone, if you don't know, they are not just a stone. They are very sensitive. Strange primitive animals that can grow 1 up to 2 centimeters a year. Okay? Please avoid stepping on the coral. Third, ma'am and sir, please be aware also to our waste. Okay? Your garbage, don't throw your garbage anywhere. Okay? Especially in the water. So always remember, everyone, that the water is our swimming pool, not your trash can. Okay? So if you have a garbage in you, please, we have a trash can at the back of the boat. You can put all your garbage there. Okay? And then fourth, fish feeding is not allowed also here in El Nido. Okay, so do not feed the fish because fish feeding, it can disrupt and destroys the natural life cycle of the fishes. And of course, ma'am, sir, no collections of anything also from the island. Okay, any marine life, dead or alive as a souvenir. Like coral, seashells, sands, please do not collect that. Because empty shells and dead corals in a long time process that will become a white sand. Okay? Yes. And about your belongings, that is very important as well. If you are planning to bring your things at the beach later, everyone, please do not leave your things unattended in the beach, okay? Because any losses or damage of your things, our company is not liable for that, okay? So it's much more safe, ma'am, sir, if you leave your things here in the boat. At least 100%. Okay? Lastly, please always listen and follow to your tour guide. Okay, because your safety, everyone, is our responsibility. So is that clear? Yes. Right. So let's talk about our tour. We are Tour C today, right?
Hey.
No?
Hey.
Yeah, I just want to make sure. So we are Tour A. So Tour A, ma'am, sir, there are 5 attractions with different activities. Okay. So first attraction is Nag Island. It's called Kadlaw Island. That's the mother island of El Nido. Kadlaw means laughter in English. Okay. So snorkeling, that's our activity there, snorkeling. Second is Seven Commando Beach for shopping. No, Seven Commando Beach in Salong. Third is lunch in Shimizu Island, Fourth Secret Lagoon, and then the last is the highlight of our tour, Big Lagoon. Yes, that is the place where you can do kayaking. Okay, and then later, every destination, ma'am and sir, we will need your cooperation again. Okay, for the additional information and instruction before you. Okay. So first up, like I said, it's Kadlaw Island. Travel time more or less 1 hour from here.
What?
By swimming. So, just 3 minutes from here. Okay? So while we are navigating, please just make conversation, everyone. Make friends, but no fighting. Okay? So that's all, ma'am, sir. Thank you so much for listening once again. Good morning. Enjoy your tour.